In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom login page for WordPress. Let's dive right in and walk through these steps together. First, we'll need to head over to wordpress.com. This is the portal we'll use to manage and customize your WordPress website. Once you've arrived at the homepage, go ahead and locate the login button. You'll need to sign in to access your site's dashboard. When prompted for login credentials, click on Continue with Google. This option simplifies the process if your site is associated with your Google account. After clicking, you'll be presented with your Google account options. Select the account linked with your WordPress site, a simple click and you're in. Now let's navigate to the site you'd like to edit. Over on the right panel under Quick Links, you'll find an Edit Site option. Clicking this will take you into the dashboard where the magic happens, allowing you to make changes and customizations to your site. With that done, you should see a list of your websites. Find the one you're working on and click on it to open up specific controls for that site. Next, find the Add button situated at the top left corner of your screen. This button is your gateway to adding new elements to your website, in our case creating that custom login page. Now it's time to type in registration in the search bar that appears. This step is crucial as it directs us to the right tools needed to build our login page. From the search results, select registration form. This tool will form the basis of your custom login page, allowing users to register and log in right from your site. Once the form is open, you'll have the ability to make it your own. Feel free to edit the form based on your specific needs and preferences. Maybe you want to capture only usernames and emails, or perhaps you need more detailed information. Adjust fields accordingly to fit your requirements. Finally, don't forget to hit save. Clicking save will ensure all your hard work is recorded and that these changes go live on your site. Now your custom login page is set up and ready to be used by your visitors. Remember, websites are a dynamic space, so feel free to revisit these steps and tweak your login page as needed. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom login page for your WordPress site in just a few minutes. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check out more of our tutorials to help you get the most out of your WordPress experience. Happy designing!